What's going on, TubeU? Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gents. So, as you can see here, we have our S&B filter cleaning kit. This is for our little JLT. As you guys know, this is the JLT kit, but the filter on it is actually S&B. Now, you don't have to buy the S&B filter cleaning kit. You can just go in there, use some soap and water. As long as you have the oil to fill it back up, which you can pick up at your local auto store, whether it's AutoZone, O'Reilly's, whatever. I'm pretty sure you can use all that stuff, but to be safe and on the safe side, I figured, hey, it's an S&B filter. I want to make sure I got the right oil. Now, like I said, it probably doesn't matter. I have no clue, but I'm going to use the S&B filter cleaning kit to clean and replenish the oil on my S&B filter. So we're going to dive right in. First things first, we got to pop the filter off. I'm saying the old filter like we're going to replace it. So let's pop this bad boy off real quick. I believe step one is spray it down. Step two, you gotta, let it wait a little bit. So we're gonna let it do all that. Then we gotta come back, we gotta rinse it all out. And then we re-oil it, let the oil run through there, make sure it's spaced out evenly. And then we pop it back in. And it's pretty simple, I should have been done it. It's been, getting dirty for a while. And partly because, as you guys know, if you have the JLT kits, they come with a little cover for this little guy right here, the rain shield cover, but that would also help keep it clean. Another way, there's a little sock, the JLT socks or the filter socks, where you just slide on and it protects it from rain and dirt and everything like that. But I like to let my little JLT, or I like to let my car breathe as much as it can, so I don't really want anything obtrusive on it. And it doesn't really rain here, and if it does rain, one or two drops in the freaking intake isn't gonna hurt or kill anything. Like, by the time it gets all the way back there, it's freaking burnt up from all the damn heat. Like, I'm not worried about rain getting into the intake. Like, people are crazy about it, man. It's like, oh my god, I'm so scared. It's gonna rain. I don't want anything crazy to happen to my car. If you stay in a place where it gets crazy heavy rain, then obviously, you may be a little worried, but it doesn't rain here, man. Like, look outside. Look outside. What, does it look like it's rained out there lately? Does it look like it's rained? Exactly. So, enough babbling on. Let's go ahead and jump right into this, man. Pretty simple, little do-it-yourself project. Now, I'm going to go ahead and knock out finally. I've been neglecting it, like I said. So, let's jump right into it and let's get this damn filter off real quick. Easy peasy. Look at that. Dirty. Oof. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I think this is the downside. That has to be the downside. So I remember seeing this and I was like, damn, man, I already bent my filter. Downside. So yeah, that's definitely the downside. As you can see, since it's drawing all that stuff from the ground and through this little intake hole right here, that's definitely going to be the dirtiest side. So let's go ahead and knock this dirt out a little bit. Now you can see everything. It draws from the bottom and from here and from the top. So yeah, a lot of places to draw air from, but also a lot of places to draw dirt from. So since it's out, we're probably just going to wipe this out too while we wait for the UPS man went by and didn't stop giving me no packages, I'm saying. So yeah, while we spray the soap and stuff on this and get this all, or wait for this to, soak up all the cleaner solution, we'll come back and wipe this out too. Might as well, get it looking new since we're already cleaning the damn filter out. So let's get the solution out and let's get it up, spray it all over, and make sure we got good coverage on the filter. Oh, I lied. He did bring me something. I lied. See what it got. Probably not shit for me. Never shit for me. How you doing?
Good. There you go, sir.
Appreciate it.
You got it?
Yes, sir.
All right, have a good one.
You do the same.
Thank you.
Spoonful Company. Oh yeah, I remember what this is. So I volunteered for this thing a while back, and I guess me and another buddy, a work buddy of mine, our names got entered in some drawing for, our names got entered in some drawing. There's a package over there. Name got entered in some drawing for the, I guess for some event they're having, and our names got drawn. I don't know how that even works out. I got entered in something and won something I didn't even know I was a part of. But they emailed us, let us know, hey guys, you guys got selected. Give us your names and address, and we'll ship you some food and some wine. So I believe that's the food, and they already shipped us the wine the other day. Crazy how stuff works out anyway. But anyway, back to the fun stuff. Too bad it's not car parts, right? So first things first, we'll need to, just a slight tap to knock all that dirt and dust out. You can see a little bit is already dropping out. Yeah. Oh man, look at that. That all just fell out of here. Just little love taps. You don't want to, bang it up and make it all ugly and dirty and stuff. Just knocking a little dirt out. Just a little bit by a little bit. Man, that's crazy. All of that is just resting in your intake, in your freaking filter. Jesus, like obviously it catches, dust and stuff. But I didn't think it would be catching those are little rocks. Those are rocks. Jesus. So grab a solution and let that bitch ride. I got it set to the wider setting. I think I might close it. Yeah, let it all get in there. Let it get all that, grab up all that dirt and dust and stuff, and then we're gonna come back out here and rinse it out with the hose. So while we wait on that, let's hop back into the engine bay and let's get that damn filter box cleaned up. So I'm just gonna grab one of my microfiber cloths up here, and what do I want to use? I guess we should just use the waterless wash. Cool. All cleaned up. Much more better looking now. It's a little wet down there, Should be alright. Yes, sir. Alright, well, that was a little quicker than I thought it would be. So, I guess we just hang out a little bit and wait for this damn filter to finish drying a little bit before we hit it with the hose. Alrighty, cool beans. Looks like we got everything we need. Looks like it's been a decent amount of time now. You can see that filter or the stuff already breaking up. That's what all those light spots are. So let's go ahead and grab the hose and get this thing rinsed off. Shall we? So there she is, all rinsed out. Jump back into sunlight real quick so you guys can check it out. That's it, all rinsed out. Still somehow got a damn bug wing just chilling there, even after all that water and everything else. As you can see, one side is a little more red than the other. I don't know if that's just oil just trapped in there or what, but this side is has a little more white filter showing. You see the red up there at the top. Maybe I didn't hit that good enough. I don't know. I didn't see much. I mean, I was rinsing and I put a little force on the rinsing. So I think that's about as good as she's gonna get. As long as all that dirt and debris isn't freaking clogging up the filter material, I think we're good. So now we just got to freaking wait. And it says it could take up to 24 hours. You see water still running out of this thing. So it says it could take up to 24 hours for it to fully dry. So I think we're just gonna have to, you know, let it sit out overnight. Water and oil don't exactly mix. So I guess I'll just pick back up whenever it's time to actually oil this thing. And water's still dripping out of here. So yeah, I think it's definitely a good idea to wait until it's fully dry. So let's hop back in the garage. And I guess I'll pick back up tomorrow, guys. Alright, Tube U, so it's day 2 of this here filter cleaning fiasco, filter cleaning and recharging, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, this thing took forever to dry out. As you can see, there's still a few little guys stuck down in there. Tried to get them out as best as I could, but for the most part, most of the filter itself has been cleaned out. It's not much dirt and all that jazz, and all the dust is all gone. So now it's just time to oil it, and we're gonna, you know, use the oiling technique that I say to use. Alrighty, so got our oil. I think I'm gonna start with the outside first, and you're just gonna work your way around and squeeze it on there. Alrighty, Tube U, seems to be pretty much coated. Now you just gotta let the oil actually filter through, or actually get through all the little nooks and crannies, and let it soak all up and everything like that. Might go back and touch it up with a few more. See, we still got a ton left in here, so I might go back, try to touch it up a little bit. But like I said, I don't want to over oil it, and then that just, you know, does more harm than good. So I think that might be all we need to put up there, because I don't want to go oil crazy just to make sure it looks red and everything, and then, you know, ends up doing more harm than good. But I think that pretty much does it. So we'll just wait, let it soak up as much as it can, clean up the extra little bit that got around on the plastics and whatnot. Then we'll pop this puppy back in and wrap this little 2-day ordeal up, which is supposed to be like, you know, a 10-minute job. So check back in when it's time to pop this thing on. Cool beans, man. So everything's all oiled up. It's pretty much run down as much as it's gonna run down. I don't want to keep oiling it and then over oil it. So just wipe off this excess on the plastics, or the rubber, I should say. Pop this bad boy back in. Shouldn't. Good all the way around. Make sure it's actually making contact. Pull this bad boy up. Cool beans, Tube U. Now she's way more cleaner than she was, and actually looking somewhat presentable around here. So that's all she wrote. It took 2 damn days, because, you know, you gotta wait for the damn thing to dry. But other than that, that's pretty much all I got for you guys, man. Your first time stopping by, like, subscribe, hit that bell icon so you guys get notification when these videos go up. So go to your Instagram channel, low376slow, all one word. I'll put it down in the description. Until next time, Tube U, I'm out. Peace.